Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Prizepicks fail to verify identity issue. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, what you're going to do is first of all going to go ahead, open up your app, and when you go through the verification process, which you will go through the signing up section. If you have not been able to verify and the verify has been failed, I'm going to let you know what can cause the issue. First thing, you might have entered the last 4 digits on your app or your SSN number wrong. So when you try next time, make sure you correct that. And next thing could be your verification ID, which is the government ID, and the photo. If it's somehow blurry and something is not clear, then that could also can cause a verification issue, cause simply it's not clear, so they cannot verify further. Now the other thing is, when you go through the verification, if you're done, you will receive verification successful. If you do not, then your verification will be denied. And unfortunately, Prizepicks does not enclose the exact reason. So go through the again a new account creation, go through the verification and check the name again, check date of birth and everything correct. Make sure it's the same as in your government ID and you're good to go. That should help. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.